Many prefer and only invest in companies that pay dividends. Well, it is considered the best and maybe the only way for some people when it comes to investing. Dividends are payments made by a company to its shareholders as a way to distribute a portion of its profits. When a company generates earnings, it can choose to reinvest the money back into the business or distribute it to shareholders in the form of dividends. Dividends are usually paid out in cash, but they can also be paid out as additional shares of stock. The amount of the dividend is usually expressed as a dollar amount per share, such as 50 cents per share. Here are 3 famous examples. Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson is a healthcare company that develops, manufactures, and sells a wide range of products. J&J has a long history of paying dividends and has increased its dividend payout for 59 consecutive years. In 2023, J&J is paying out $1.13 per share in dividends. The company has a dividend yield of 2.94%, which is higher than the average dividend yield of the S&P 500 index. Johnson & Johnson's debt to equity for the 3 months ending December 31st, 2022 was 0.35, indicating that it has a low level of debt relative to equity. Apple Inc. In 2023, Apple is paying out 23 cents per share in dividends on a quarterly basis, resulting in an annual dividend payout of 92 cents per share. The company has a dividend yield of 0.59%, which is lower than the average dividend yield of the S&P 500 index. Procter Gamble Co. Procter & Gamble is a consumer goods company that produces a wide range of household and personal care products. PG has increased its dividends payout for 65 consecutive years and is paying out 91 cents per share in quarterly dividends in 2023. The company has a dividend yield of 2.56%, which is higher than the average dividend yield of the S&P 500 index. PG has a strong balance sheet with a debt-to-equity ratio of 0.78, indicating that it has a low level of debt relative to equity. Now let's do some math to figure out how many shares we need to get to $10,000 a month from dividends income if we invested in these 3 companies. So we need an annual dividend payout of $40,000 from each company. You would need to own approximately 8,850 shares of Johnson & Johnson to receive $40,000 a year in dividends at the current quarterly dividend rate of $1.13 per share. You would need to own approximately 43,478 shares of Apple to receive $40,000 a year in dividends at the current quarterly dividend rate of 23 cents per share. And you would need to own approximately 10,989 shares of Procter Gamble Co. to receive $40,000 a year in dividends at the current quarterly dividend rate of 91 cents per share. That's the passive way into earning 6 figures per year or $10,000 per month. Now, considering that the number of shares needed is hard to attain, especially if you are starting out, you can start small and rely on the power of compound interest to grow your portfolio. You don't have to own these shares right away. Do your own research and start building your portfolio. Live rich and prosper. See you on the next video.